Welcome to Recalipart channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add shape effects on Microsoft Excel. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Excel. After that, open any document. You can see in this document a shape is already inserted. So just click on this shape. After that, click on shape format tab. Now from here on the shape styles option, you can find shape effects option. You just click here. And that's it. Now here you can see 7 options: preset, shadow, reflection, glow, soft edge, bevel, and 3D rotation. And you can add any kind of effects in your shape as you like. Suppose if you want to add reflection effects in your shape, just click here. Now from here select any reflection variations. If I select half reflection, you have to just click here, and that's it. You can see shape effects has been added successfully. On the other hand, if you want to add shadow effect, just click here again. Then click on shadow and then choose any option. You can choose outer, inner, or perspective shadow. If I select inner shadow, and that's it. You can see shadow effect has been added successfully. And that is how you can add shape effects on Microsoft Excel. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.